Okay, so
socially.
those were the political motive for the scramble. We're going to begin with the social factors responsible for the European scramble for Cameroon. We'll talk about the need for extra living space. European powers, especially France and Germany, scrambled because they had the desire to look for extra living space for their population. The need to spread their culture and civilization was another important social reason for the scramble. They believed that their culture and civilization was the most superior and therefore had to impose it on the natives. They also scrambled socially because they wanted to spread Christianity. Islam was fast spreading from northern Cameroon to other parts of Cameroon after the jihad of Modibo Adama. So the London Baptists became involved in the scramble in order to stop the spread of Islam. They also wanted to check some of the evil practices such as the slave trade, witchcraft, killing of twins, idol worship, and the rest. So those were some of the social factors responsible for the scramble. In exam, a question can be asked on the causes of the scramble. Like for example, we can ask you that to what extent were economic considerations responsible for the European scramble for Cameroon in the early 1880s? So to what extent were economic considerations responsible for the European scramble for Cameroon in the early 1880s? So this is a two-part question focused on the factors responsible for the European scramble for Cameroon with the economic factors in the first part and other factors such as political and social in the second part. So for the first part, you bring out the economic factors that were responsible for the European scramble for Cameroon. The second part, you bring out other factors that influence the scramble, such as political and social. They can equally ask you that to what extent were political factors responsible for the European scramble for Cameroon. So you just reverse it. The first part, you write the political factors. The second part, you write other factors such as economic and social. It can equally be asked like what came in 2011, GC 2011, that which contributed more to the European scramble for Cameroon, economic or political reasons. So you would answer you bring out the economic reasons for the scramble, you bring out the political reasons for the scramble, then you take a stand because they say which contributed more. The question tag must be respected. Which contributed more? You cannot start from the beginning by saying that economic contributed more than no. When you show the political reasons for the scramble, you show the economic reasons for the scramble, then you, in your conclusion, now you take a stand